I scored this junk from an office. They upgraded their equipment and wanted to get rid of these, so I got some of them. We have computers, desktop computers, telephones, big paper shredder, and more. Hard drive, these are power supplies, adapters, these terminals, here are all the cables, 4 cables and VGA. Switches and routers. Some mobile phones. Wireless headset, hands-free. We have 2 big servers. This, I think, this one and this one. It says new server here. And the rest are just desktop computers. I also got 4 laptops. The laptops are working. I tested them, but they are old. This one is i3. This one is decent. It's 4 gig RAM, i3 also. Has USB 3. And this one also is decent, which I'm gonna keep this one, I think. i5. will add it to my collection of faulty laptops, and I have more in the garage. Yeah, these computers, I need to get rid of them somehow. Maybe I will sell them cheap, $10 each maybe. So if it's $10, that will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, I don't know. I got the other desktop computer before, and I hated them because they occupied all my space in the garage, so I had to destroy them. But with these ones, probably I will sell them. These are some of the desktop computers that I had that I destroyed, and these are the motherboards. Yeah, I need to recycle these. They have precious metal. Yeah, I will start fixing this one, get rid of it, then these, maybe I will keep one server. It has a multi-terabyte hard drive, and get rid of the rest. Thank you for watching.